May GCash ka ba? If yes, then ang good news ko sa'yo, pwede ka nang mag-order ng physical GCash Visa card. Hi, ako nga pala si Allen De Leon at kung gustong malaman kung paano magkaroon ng physical GCash Visa card, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. So make sure na na-download mo na yung GCash app sa mobile phone mo. Katulad ng ginawa ko yan, nasa mobile phone ko. And then, itap mo siya. Okay, so lagay lang natin yung OTP natin. And then dito, oops, may advertisement. Okay, yan. So dito, ang gagawin natin is itap mo yung sa my profile mo. And then dito, click mo naman or itap mo rin yung my linked accounts. Yan, and then yung GCash card, itap mo, and then dito, yan. So basahin lang muna natin yung benefits of having a GCash Visa card. So dito, dip or tap your card when paying in-store in over 200 countries. And then number 2, use your card for easy and seamless online shopping. Number 3, withdraw from BankNet or Visa ATMs worldwide. Oops, may dumalag na sasakyan sa bahay namin. Pasensya na guys kung may background noise. So yan yung tatlong benefits. So napakaganda talaga magkaroon ng GCash card. So let's continue. Scroll down lang tayo and then tap mo yung order a card. Yan, and then tap mo yung send me a card. Okay, yan yung magiging itsura. Yan pala yung itsura ng physical card na once nakapagbayad tayo ng 185 pesos for the GCash card, yan yung makukuha natin. Now, ang alam ko rin, merong itong additional fee, yung delivery fee or shipping fee, it's 65 pesos. So, magiging total niya is 250 pesos. Kaya make sure may laman ang GCash mo para pag nagbayad ka dito, tuloy-tuloy na at walang mga charge or whatsoever, 250 lang talaga siya. So, tap natin yung next. Ayan, dito may fill upan lang tayo for the delivery information. So, yung recipient's name, name mo, definitely, and then yung mobile number mo, province, city, municipality, barangay, zip code, at saka yung address mo. So, ako guys, fill upan ko lang to ng mabilis at pag na-fill upan ko na, then mag-proceed tayo sa next step. Just give me a few minutes.
A few moments later.
So, na-fill upan ko na guys. Ang next step ay itap mo yung may checkbox, I accept the terms and conditions, and then itap natin yung next. Okay, so pag tap natin dun sa next, papakita lang naman niya yung total ng babayaran mo, yung GCash card na 185 pesos at delivery fee which is 65, so tama pala ako. So, ang total is 250 and then you have to go over dun sa information na fill upan mo. Tingnan mo at i-review mo, baka mamaya may nagkamali kang spelling or what, para siguradong tama lahat yung binigay mong information sa GCash card mo. Okay? So, pag tama lahat, walang problema, then i-tap mo na yung next. Okay, so ayan, yan yung total. Tap na natin yung pay 250 pesos. Yan. Ayan na guys, so tapos na yan. So, tatap na lang natin yung proceed at maghihintay na lang tayo na i-deliver sa ating bahay yung ating GCash Visa card. Ayan, sabi, order successful. Please expect your card to be delivered within 4 to 10 business days. Then, tap na natin yung okay. So guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung sa inbox may kulay red. Ayan, no? So, itap mo yan. So, pag itap mo yan, ang makikita mo is yung ginawa mong transaction sa pag-order ng GCash Visa card mo. So, ito yung pinaka-reference mo. Ayan, may reference number ka din dyan. Kung kailan mo siya ginawa, para at least may proof ka na meron kang pinurchase or biniling GCash Visa card. So, ganun lang kadali mag-order ng GCash Visa card. Make sure to subscribe or follow for more kasi ang next video ko is pag natanggap ko na yung card, syempre ating i-activate at ililink natin sa GCash and you don't want to miss that. Pero for now, ito na munang dalawang videos na itong panoorin mo and I'll see you in one of those videos. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching Alan Online TV. Make sure to like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video episode.